Describe a person you know who likes to talk a lot. Who this person is. How do you know him or her? What he, she likes to talk about. And explain how you feel about this person. There are numerous talkative people whom I know. However, today I am going to talk about the most talkative person. He is none other than my bosom friend, Cigar. We've studied together since primary school. He is 19 years old and pursuing his graduation nowadays. He is very handsome as well as tall. Moving further, he has a lot of energy and he can speak continuously for hours. If I talk about his qualities, he is very intelligent. He is also good in acting and singing. So, I can say that he is jack of all trades. Whenever he meets the other individuals, he has smile on face. I have never seen him sad. In addition, he is also fond of reading books and watching movies. That's why he has so much interesting to share with me and others. Apart from this, I remember during our school days, we were scolded by many teachers due to his talkative nature. Even nowadays, we spend our leisure time together. In contrast, sometimes I get irritated when he doesn't stop talking while paying obeisance at temple. Besides this, few teams. I have to ignore his talks whenever I am busy in my works, but he never minds. He is down-to-earth person, and I really like him. All in all, this is a person who likes to talk a lot.